So in this video, I'm going to show you the treble crochet. So here you're going to have your chains. So what you're going to do is you're going to yarn over twice. Go ahead and insert your hook in the loop. Then you're going to pull through one. Yarn over, turn, down, pull through two. You're going to have three left. Yarn over, down, pull through the next two loops, and then at the end just yarn over and do the last two. So again, yarn over twice, yarn over, come through the first loop, yarn over, go through the next two loops. You're gonna have three loops left. Yarn over, the next two, yarn over, turn down, next two. And that's your treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, do one loop. We make one loop, yarn over, go to two loops, yarn over, turn your wrist down, two, and then yarn over, last two, and that is your treble crochet. By my experience, there are patterns that use this, not a lot, but still it is used. There's I use it when I make borders. When I do the borders around my blankets, I actually do two double. I actually do the trebles in one, two in each stitch, and what it does, it gives it that wavy look. But yeah, that's your treble. So practice, practice, practice. Just practice. Sit down. Relax, watch TV, get a cup of coffee, a cup of cocoa, whatever, tea, whatever you like, and just practice, practice, practice. That's all. That's all there is to it.